Want to know how to find work or jobs in Guru.com? Well, no worries. So Guru.com is a freelancing site where you can get freelancing jobs easily. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. First things first, just simply open up the Guru.com website and make sure you are logged in as well. So we have also created a video on how to log in to Guru.com, so make sure to watch it. So right beside dashboard, you should also be seeing something known as find work. So you can just simply like that. Now once you have selected find work, here you can just simply search for freelancing jobs, as you can see right here. So you can just simply scroll down all the way, and here you should be seeing various options. So that is social media content creation, blockchain developers, and much more, as you can just simply scroll down and see it right here. And that's it. So you can just simply search for it and send a quote for you right here. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of the similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.